What is up, people? This is Ronit Kamble, your sneaker guy. And before starting with this video, I just want to wish everyone there a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, as this video is going to be the last video of this year, that is 2020. And so I just thought to make a top 10 list of sneakers. So here is this video, me talking about top 10 Air Jordan 1s released in this year. So let's see what are those, and let's start with the video. So guys, before starting with this video, I just want you all to know that this list is going to be according to my perspective and my opinion. So no one really needs to get offended about this and something like that. So I just want you all to know that. That's it. So let's start with the video. So starting off with number 10, that is Air Jordan 1 Code Purple. So this was released on 11th April 2020 for a standard price tag of $170. That rounds up to 14,000 rupees in India, and this resales around $400, that is 30,000 rupees right now in my size, that is UK 8. And this shoes, you can see here, it has a very clean color blocking and it has a very clean style to it. That's the reason it's on number 10. So now coming to number 9, it is Air Jordan 1 tie-dye. This is a women's exclusive pair released on 27 June 2020, and this retailed around $170, and now it resales for $400 to $450, that is 30 to 33,000 rupees in my size, that is UK 8. And this was the first time we saw tie-dye on Air Jordan 1, and that really looks beautiful on this. That is the reason it's on number 9. Now coming to number 8, that is Air Jordan 1 CO.JP Midnight Navy. This is a Japan exclusive pair released back in 2002, and they re-released it now on 14 November 2020, and this retailed around the price tag of $170, that is standard price of Air Jordan 1, and now it resales around $300 to $350, that is 20 to 25,000 rupees. And this has a very clean color blocking, that is that navy blue, and that silver shoes makes that pair more beautiful. So that is the reason it's on number 8. So now coming to number 7, that is Air Jordan 1 UNC to Chicago. So this is again a women's exclusive pair, as this year all the ladies got lot of love from Jordan brand, as they have released a ton of Jordans for them, and this is one of them released on 13th February, I believe. Yes, it's 13th February 2020 for a retail price tag of $170, and now it resales around $350, that is 25,000 rupees. And as the name says, UNC, that is University of North Carolina, where Michael Jordan debuted himself, to Chicago, that is Chicago Bulls, where Michael Jordan's legacy was made. So that is the reason this shoe was named UNC to Chicago, and that blue and red really pops on the shoes. That is the reason it's on number 7. So now coming to number 6, that is Air Jordan 1 Royal Toe. This released on 9th of May 2020 for a retail price tag of $170, that is as usual, and it now resales around $400, that is 30,000 rupees. And this was the only shoe I got it on retail from this list, and I sold them for whatever reasons. But this is such a clean pair in hand, believe me. I wish I had them in hand right now to show you all, but that is really beautiful pair in hand. That is the reason it's on number 6. So on the number 5th position, it is Air Jordan 1 Dark Mocha, and this was released on 31st October 2020 for a retail price tag of $170, and now it resales for $500, that is somewhere around 35,000 rupees. And talking about this pair, when the pictures were leaked of this pair, it was compared to the Travis Scott Air Jordan 1. That created a very big hype on these. And leaving that apart, this is a very clean color to be worn. That is the reason it is on number 5th. So on the 4th position, it is J Balvin's Air Jordan 1. This released on 8th December 2020, and for a retail price tag of $180, that is up to 16,000 rupees, and now it resales for $500 to $700, that is around 50,000 rupees, and that is a very big amount of money in here in India. And talking about this sneaker, it is a collaboration between J Balvin, a Colombian singer, and Jordan brand, as he got an opportunity to make his own Air Jordan 1. He just took an opportunity and killed it with this pair. and this is the wildest Air Jordan 1 I have ever seen, and this is not really something everyone can pull it off, but this is a beautiful pair. So this is on number 4th. So now on number 3rd position, it is the new beginnings pack Air Jordan 1. So this is technically two shoes on the 3rd place, but they both were sold together. That is the reason I'm considering them as one shoes and placed them on the 3rd position. So this released on 8th February 2020 for retail price of $350, that is 26,000 rupees, and now they resale for $3,200, that is somewhere of 2,35,000 rupees. Yes, that is a very big amount. And now talking about the pack, it has two shoes in them, that is Nike Air Ship and second one is Retro High 1. So Nike Air Ship was the first shoes made for Michael Jordan in 1984. After that, the next year they made Nike Air Jordan 1. So these both shoes has the same shape and structure as they were in 1984. That is the reason I just liked them a lot and I placed them on number 3. So now coming to top 2, and on the 2nd position it is Air Jordan 1 Varsity Red 85. It was released on 8th February 2020 and for a retail price of $200, that is 15,000 rupees, and it was released in very extreme limited quantity, that is 23,000 pairs only, and this gave a rise to its resale value, that is somewhere around $800, that is 60,000 rupees. And even this pair has the same exact structure and shape of the original pair in 1985, and even this color is crazy classic color. That is the reason it's on number 2. So now it's top 1 and the first position is given to Air Jordan 1 Dior. So this pair was released on 6th April 2020 and for a retail price of $2,000, that is 1,50,000 rupees, and it was in extremely limited quantity, that is up to 8,500 pairs in the entire world. That is the reason it gave a rise to its resale value, that is $7,000 to $8,000 and 5 to 6 lakh rupees. So this is the first ever Air Jordan 1 handmade with premium quality material of Dior's, and this was the most hyped pair in this 2020 and this will be remembered for decades. This was the collaboration between the streetwear, the luxury, the basketball and everything together, and this came out to be very classic and very clean. So that is the reason it was this hyped, and these came in two varieties, that is Air Jordan 1 High and Air Jordan 1 Low. And the most unpopular opinion by me is the Air Jordan 1 Low is better than Air Jordan 1 High. That is my perspective and my opinion. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and please do like this video if you enjoyed it, and please do let me know which of the Jordan 1s will you put in your top 10 list and what will be your top 1 shoes. So I'll get to know different things from different people. And thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time, next week, in next video, in next year. So peace.